So before this video gets started, I want to tell you guys about an awesome new way to start making money on TikTok Shop, okay? TikTok Shop is a new program where people can buy and sell products right in TikTok. So when people are scrolling all day, they can buy stuff, but you can also make money selling products. And as you can see right here, I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop. And if you want to learn exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page, I have a link below and you can join my program. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, and you don't need experience. And for a limited time right now, you can sign up and get a free trial and try it out. Join our group chat where we are discussing exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page so you can start earning thousands of dollars a month. This was me in the past month that I made over $4,000 on TikTok Shop. And on this one, in the past week, over $2,500. This is my TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is, in my opinion, the easiest way for anybody to start making money with no following, no experience. And the best part is it's completely drop shipping, so you don't need to deal with any inventory or shipping any product. Doing TikTok and YouTube absolutely changed my life and allowed me to buy my dream house here in Southern California that I'm sitting in right now. So if you want to learn how to set up your own TikTok Shop store and start making money, check out the link below. I would love to see you there. And remember, the first 100 people get a free trial, and that will be ending very, very soon. Why Uber Eats drivers are quitting. Look at this. This is crazy. You want to read this?
So an average Uber Eats driver saw their earnings decline over 15% in 2023, according to GridWise.
Crazy.
So if you don't know what GridWise is, it's isn't it where you can track your
expenses? Yeah.
Expenses. Okay.
So they're, I mean, they have this data.
Yeah.
And it actually shows that Uber and Uber Eats drivers saw their earnings decline 15% last year.
That's crazy.
Right?
Like, especially like 2023 was the year that like inflation really like spiked, right?
Yeah, like it's crazy. Like I don't blame so many drivers for quitting because this is like a solid, tangible sign now. You know, the lockdown's over. All right, everyone's back up and doing their normal thing. And it's still going down. Like
yeah,
it's your earnings are still going down in 2023. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Don't blame me if you want to quit, guys. All right? I'm not judging if you quit. Over the past year, Uber drivers told Business Insider, it's gotten harder to make money. This appears to have just been part of a larger trend. Oh, wow. They did a study of 500,000 US gig drivers from GridWise.
Oh, wow.
That's crazy. That's a lot of drivers.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, you want to look at this? This is interesting. You want to read this?
One? Okay, GridWise found that the average Uber driver's monthly earnings, including tips and bonuses, and before driving expenses like gas, maintenance, and depreciation, declined over 17% in 2023 compared to 2022, from roughly $1,700 to $1,400. Uber Eats drivers saw their monthly earnings fall over 15% in the same period, from roughly $560 to $470.
Dang.
That's crazy.
Enough said.